G'day guys, we're back. Mail time number 3. Check it out. Welcome back to the channel, guys. We've got another haul of stuff to open up from you Dead Set Legends. So let's start with the little ones. So I know Mary had a competition on a special way to open up letters and stuff, but that was last month, so I'm not gonna use all my secret weapons until she has another one. So back to the old faithful. Oops. Alrighty, this one is from Christopher David Lawson of Nipa with a Indian, I'm guessing, by the looks of that. I'll give you a better look at this. Alright, he sent a couple of notes here and a couple of stickers. Have a look at those stickers. Oh no, they're not notes, that's just a bit of paper. Alright, this one is. Hello SkidPig, here are some of my spam cards and stickers. Would love to trade for some of yours. Been enjoying some of your test ride videos. Keep those videos coming. No worries, dude. Send me a message on Instagram and I'll flick you one out. Actually, while we're on the topic of stickers, I did want to show you, this is something that I bought, but we got the average Aussie adventure ones, guys, so I'll show you a close-up one of them. So yeah, mate, you'll be the first to get one of those bad boys. But thank you, sir. Your sticker will go on the bar. Next up is Blue Knights, Law Enforcement Motorcycle Club. So that's the coppers that have a club. I've heard about them, but I don't think that we have them over here. The Chestnut Mountain Tin Man. Oh yeah, cool. Here we go. SkidPig, I've enjoyed your vlogs. I've included some stickers I just received along with some spam cards. Keep on riding, Ron. Awesome. Thanks, dude. I'll put a close-up of these here and we'll get into the next one. So, alright. Oh, we got a poker chip. You beauty. I can only fit 3 more in my holder, guys, so good work. I only had 3 when I originally started that I bought, so you guys have done well. Oh, PA Bearded Biker, I follow you. Good stuff, man. Have a look at this. Here's spam card and stickers. And I'll read this out. SkidPig, love your videos. Whether you're out in the bush or test riding bikes, they're all great. Ride safe, PABB. Thank you, sir. They're pretty cool. And have a squiz at this. I love these full colour chips. Very cool. Thank you, sir. Your sticker will be going on the bar. Alrighty guys, this one I had a little while ago and I forgot about it, to be honest, so sorry dude, but so I've already opened it. Alrighty, so wrapped in Great Northern Brewing Co. cartons. There's a heap of old school stickers that I'm gonna smack all over the bar, so I'll lay them all out and give you a close up. But here you go, have a look at all these guys. Alright guys, so yeah, as you can see there's a few old school alcohol ones, Yellow Terror. I had them roller rockers in my old 1 tonne. I had a 400 small block Chev in it. It was good stuff. Bacardi Rum, Win TV, that's cool. Thanks heaps dude, I'll put all those on the bar. And all those stickers guys were from Villiers Man or Villas Man, I'm not sure how you pronounce that, sorry dude, from Bundaberg, so another Queenslander. Alright, this one is from Mary, the Geared Raven, so in honour of her competition I will open it up magically for you. So not magically, it's just one of the ways I had up my sleeve, but alright, no knives, no chainsaws, no fire, no magic. Alright, just check this out. Alright, you ready? All you got to do, sharpen the beard. Usually only takes 3, but we'll give it another 1 for good luck. And then don't try that at home, kids. Now that's pretty cool. She's put a little drawing of a pig there. I'll show you a close up of that. You're very talented, aren't you, Mary? So oh God. Look at this. My daughter's going to love playing with that. She's obsessed with pigs. And what else have we got? Oh, we got some more stickers and a patch. Thank you very much. To my Aussie saltwater buddy, a little piglet to congratulate you on the upcoming arrival of your new baby. Thank you very much. So happy for you and your family. I noticed you needed an extra sticker as well, so I've enclosed 2 more and a patch. Take care, Mary, the Geared Raven. Thank you very much. So check out the close-ups of all this stuff, guys. And yeah, thanks again. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Alright, so this last one, guys, is from a product sponsor. These guys do adventure shoes, and they've been watching our Average Aussie Adventures and thought we could do with some because we're always getting around bare feet. So I got them to send out 3 pairs because I need some, Uncle Trent needs some, and so does Dan the Harley Man. So we all got the same colours, but this is what they are. They're like a waterproof sole, real flexible, all-terrain sort of wet weather shoe, I suppose you'd call it. From, I don't know how you pronounce that, Alita or something like that, but I'll give you guys a close-up of the shoes, but we'll test these fellas out on a few average adventures and see how they go. And I'll show you on the underside, guys. The sole is supposed to be the main selling point. So yeah, if you check out underneath, you can see how the water would drain right through. But they sort of got 2 layers there. They look pretty comfy. So anyway, we'll test them out. So that's it for another episode, guys. Thanks for watching, and hang on a second. Don't forget, wherever you are in the world, have a fantastic day. Don't forget to drink a cold beer, and I'll catch you on the next one. See ya!